Here we have another quick unboxing video. This is for the Peugeot 207 hatchback, black Lexus style rear lights. Just another quick unboxing just to illustrate how they look like and just have a bit of a closer look rather than boring photographs. So these rear lights come fully plug and play. There's no wiring modifications needed. These just plug directly into the wiring loom of your vehicle. Your bulbs, you can use your old bulbs from your old rear lights. Literally just twist your bulb holders out. Put your bulbs in, refit, job done. These have got a matte black inner background and with a crystal clear outer lens. These rear lights are really easy to install. This can be done within 10 minutes. Just whip out your old rear lights and these just click straight in, and your fixing bolts just here on the back. They're fully road legal, they're MOT compliant, and they're also E-marked. They are available on our website. Please see the link below.